So you're highly welcome to Nelly's family. So in today's video is just a short video that I want to do with you guys. Understand? First unboxing in this channel. Hey God, it isn't easy, guys, isn't it miraculous? I feel like dancing, but I cannot fall a victim. No. I cannot be tempted, but I'm gonna sing with my mouth. I will sing with my mouth and dance. Booga, let me booga, let me see you there, booga. Oh la la la, oh la la la, booga, booga. Oh la la la, oh la la la, booga. Let me booga, let me see you there, booga. Oh la la la, oh la la la. Guys, I'm so happy. Yes, because happiness is free. They said yes, happiness is free. You get to force yourself. Even if happiness refuses to come, force yourself. Understand? Force yourself to be happy. Guys, if you're hearing what, it's my fan, so ignore it. So guys, sorry for that noise because it was much. I'm super excited, guys. I want to do unboxing with you guys, this is first unboxing in this channel. First unboxing. God, I have been dreaming of this, having this. I have been wanting to, but it was not coming. Despite the stress, the ups and downs that has been going on in my my channel, Nelly Chooks. If you have been following me there, I have been wanting to have this, but it was not coming. Hey, this is what they said: every disappointment is a blessing. Yes, this is a shocking testimony that I'm giving you. What I have been wanting to have in my other channel, I could not get it, and I got it within a twinkle of an eye in this new channel. Guys, yesterday I got mail from Whitey which break me down. I never knew that. In fact, God is planning something for me. God is planning something for me, and this is the beginning. I know I didn't want this video to be long, but I have to say it out. I didn't know that God is planning something for me. What I never got when I thought I'm high, or I thought that I have gotten it. What I could not get, and I'm getting it now that I'm just starting. Is God not miracle? To tell you that God's hand dey there, understand? God's hand is on top this channel. Don't doubt me, because this channel is a testimony channel, and tap into it. Guys, I want to unbox with you guys what my beloved husband, what my king, what the man behind my smile bought for me yesterday, and which is I present to you guys my newest baby in the house and in the channel. Yes, guys, though I've opened it, because this is the pack as it is. That is how it came with. So I have already opened before, so I want to open it again with you guys, because you and I would smile, you and I would smile, you and I gonna smile, we're gonna smile. So guys, here is guys, hubby just surprised me with this HP Pavilion 5G, I mean 5 force, GeForce, sorry. Hey God, GeForce laptop, new. Guys, I was like, am I dreaming? Can you guys see? I don't really know what to say, because I know miracle no dey tire Jesus. Hey, miracle no dey tire Jesus. Oh, na my own remix be this one. Oh, miracle no dey tire Jesus. Hey, miracle no dey tire Jesus. Can you help me sing your miracle no dey tire Jesus? Hey, miracle no dey tire Jesus. Oh, hey, miracle no dey tire Jesus. Hey, miracle no dey tire Jesus. Guys, I'm a brand new owner of laptop. So guys, yes, I know you may not understand. It's just barely 24 hours I opened this channel, because I want to use this opportunity to appreciate you guys. Barely 24 hours, and you all have been showing me this love. Many has been calling me. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. You guys are the reason why I'm smiling, because without you guys, Nelly no go smile. Understand? I no go smile. Yes, hope you enjoy watching this video, and I'm going to call it a day here. So don't forget to subscribe, leave your like button in this channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. I sign out. Bye.